first of all, we came here to dive, scuba dive. So we did a lot of dive, and then just to relaxing and enjoying this amazing island. We do snorkeling, also visiting some interesting points on the island, such as Gassaran, etc.
And also because you don't have like massive tourism here, so it's nicer here than in other places like Bali or stuff like that. It's more like authentic here than somewhere else.
Okay, so what nice moment when you come here? Maybe what beach is one most most favorite favorite you visit? A beach, a name place beach.
Okay, we are staying at Iboi, so we like Iboi beach.
There's also Gabon beach.
Alright.
We used to take our breakfast near Iboi beach, so it is a nice moment to take our breakfast near this beautiful beach. And we did our diving center is located near Bon Yapang beach. So we like this beach too.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Okay. Mungkin ada pesan untuk
He want to ask if you what your opinion about the sea, as a clean or dirty or what when you dive in a deep, why you what are you see about the sea?
Well, under the sea it's okay.
Kurang
kind of
sering
clean.
ada.
Sometimes you find plastic, but it's kind of okay. But the island, we have many plastic on the island, and we also saw many people from here threw plastic on the sea or on the floor, and we think it's a shame because people are losing the beauty of the island, and it's a shame that people are throwing plastic everywhere. But under the sea, it's kind of okay.
Yeah, it's kind of okay, but unfortunately all the
Yang cung
coral,
dong.
are almost dead.
Yeah.
So no many life under the sea. We can find a lot of fish, etc. But about the coral, most of them are already dead. So
But usually it might be because of the tsunami that the coral died, so we don't know.
Oh yeah. So how many times you stay here?
1 week.
1 week.
Yeah.
Okay. It is one trip to maybe a group trip to
now we travel by
personal trip.
ourselves.
Yeah, personal trip. We went to Bukit Lawan first.
Oh, Bukit Lawang.
Yeah, then here and then Lokna.
Are you diver? You bought to a diver?
Oh yes, we are divers.
Yeah.
Okay, from friends.
Yeah.
Nama.
Your name?
Julie.
Julie.
Nicolas.
Nicola.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.